Hey guys, this is Ozzie from Wanderlust Awe Syndrome, where the voyage is contagious. Today we're going to discuss 3 relevant news stories. I should share my thoughts and opinions on them. If you have any thoughts or opinions on these 3 relevant news topics, comment down below while you make sure you hit that like and subscribe buttons. Hotel cleaning programs. According to USA Today, companies are enhancing their cleaning and sanitizing programs. Hotels are basing these programs on guidelines from the CDC, OSHA, EPA, and Health Canada. Hyatt hotels will train a hygiene manager to adhere to these guidelines, such as social distancing, prominent hand sanitizer, and increased cleaning of rooms. Hilton Hotels will be partnering with the company of Lysol while setting up its program called Hilton Clean Stay. In this Hilton program, it will consist of official seal informing guests that a room hasn't been accessed after a deep cleaning, removal of pen, paper, and guest directories for digital options on request, contactless check-ins, electrostatic sprayers, and ultraviolet lights for sanitization process. In my opinion, it's amazing that it took this virus to force hotels companies to make necessary changes. When you think about all the viruses such as swine or common flu, no hotel has made any clean changes to the level of this virus. I think it's great hotels are going this way, as some of the hotels tend to have a bad reputation for cleanliness. One feature I would like to see is hotels to supply disinfectant wipes in the rooms, because maids don't clean commonly touched items such as the TV remotes. Hong Kong disinfection booth. According to Relax News, Hong Kong International Airport will test a full-body disinfection booth which has a temperature check and a 40-second disinfection procedure. Nozzles will spray people down with a few disinfectants for 40 seconds to kill COVID-19. Also, the airport will test using disinfectant sprays for high-touch surfaces such as terminals, such as seats. I have a few questions if airports implement this. 1. Are these chemicals safe to use? 2. Will the spray hit every inch of clothing or items a passenger brings? 3. How will this affect the traveler's time frame to get to his or her flight? 4. What will happen if someone is a carrier of this virus? 5. If the airport decides to quarantine a person as a carrier, will this person miss a flight and get a refund of some sort? I understand the necessary precautions, but we must ask, at what cost? People pay a lot of money and face stresses when traveling by airplane. If airports implement this, I can see more negatives than positives for travelers. AirBnB extends refund window. According to USA Today, the company will extend refunds until June 15th. Anyone who booked on or before March 14th and that have a check-in date between March 14th and June 15th can receive refunds. If you made a reservation after March 14th or will make one now, the company will apply the individual host cancellation policy unless the guest is currently sick with COVID-19. The company will cover those who reserved on March 14th or after if guests fall ill to COVID-19. In my opinion, it's clear that the company is under intense pressure to keep hosts and guests happy during this pandemic. With almost no one using Airbnb because of this pandemic, the company is having difficulties creating revenue. There are reports of companies cutting staff up to 25% or 1,900 jobs. I believe it's going to take the company a while to recover, just like the rest of the hotel industry. Airbnb will have a disadvantage compared to hotels, as hotels will have a dedicated cleaning crew who will deep clean each room during and post-pandemic. Even so, I would stay at an Airbnb as it's often more affordable than hotels and can meet locals to learn much more about a specific area. Also, you can get much more features such as an oven or a huge fridge to cook your own meal. Hi, my name is Ozzie and you're on my channel, Wanderlust Awe Syndrome. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and share this video, and come along with my journey as I explore the world and sharing unique views, advice, and stories.